Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use two command is very important. First is wall and second is wall on edge. Okay guys, CATIA lecture 79 is discussed here, and CATIA sheet metal 3D commands learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, today I start here lecture a sheet metal 3D commands and use in CATIA, and CATIA sheet metal design discuss here how to easily design sheet metal in use in CATIA. And at first 2 point is discussed here. First point is wall and second is wall on edge. Okay, at first open a CATIA software and okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and all command 3D command, all sheet metal 3D commands is not active, and at first this command is active. Then click a sheet metal parameters. Okay, at first drawing any create at first create any drawing and then use a sheet metal design. Okay, click here and sketch any center rectangle. Okay, and rectangle is a any dimension is a okay, this dimension and this. At first 120 okay millimeter, and this is a 100 millimeter. Okay, and 140 is better. Okay, this is correct. And then at first click this sheet metal parameters, and then all 3D sheet metal all 3D commands is active, and sheet metal parameters is pop up, and this is a parameters, and this is a bend extremities. Okay, and bend extremities is a minimum with number no relief, and all is you can see here. Now one by one is discussed here: a square relief, round relief, linear, tangent, maximum, close, flat joint. But at first use a parameter, and then guys, parameter is a default value is setting here. Thickness is 2 millimeter and default bend radius is 4 millimeter. Okay, we can increase and decrease, but this is a very nice setting. Okay, this is a default bend radius is setting here, no problem. Guys, any sheet metal design is discussed here, but sheet metal, what is the sheet metal, what is a sheet metal, and how thickness is, what is the sheet metal, and how many thickness is sheet metal. Okay, so guys, simply and clearly learn here any sheet metal design, easily learn here. And a thickness is a more than 0 millimeter and less than 12 millimeter is a thickness is always correct. Guys, a simple thickness, a sheet metal design more than 0 millimeter and less than 12 millimeter is a thickness is very nice, and a standard thickness is discussed here. Okay, and click OK. Then all this sheet metal parameters is click at first click here, and all is a 3D commands is active. Okay, and this is a this command is wall, and this is a wall on edge. Two command is discussed here at first, and this all command is you can see here. This is a insert, and right insert click here, and this is a wall. Okay, this is a walls and rounded walls, bending, cutting, stamping, and transformation, okay, one by one you can see here wall and wall on edge and extrusion and swept wall. Okay, swept wall means flange, hem, teardrop, user flange. Okay, and rounds wall means hooper, rounded walls, and bending means bend, conical bend. This is a bend from flat, unfolding and folding and point a curve mapping. Okay, cutting and stamping and transformation is all is discussed here one by one. Today only discuss here wall. Okay, this okay. At first click here wall. Okay, and wall definition is pop up. At first click a profile and then use a two. First is a sketch at extreme position and second is a sketch at middle position. Okay, at first select a profile. Okay, at first select a profile, then okay, this is a sketch at extreme position. Okay, and preview is showing here. This is a correct, and okay, this is a correct. This thickness is a default value is setting here. Thickness is 2 mm and parameter you can see here. This is a thickness is 2 mm and default bend radius is 4 mm is a okay. And okay guys, you can see here this is a thickness is 2 mm. And guys, double click here. Okay, and this is a sketch at middle. This sheet is a sketch at extreme position, and this a sketch at middle. Click here. This is a okay. Preview is showing here. This is a sketch at middle position. Okay, preview is showing here. Okay, this is a correct. This body is a middle position, and click here. This body is a sketch at extreme position. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, preview is showing here. Okay, this wall is used, but a second is a okay. This is a second position. Second command is you can see here wall on edge. Okay, and wall on edge is a easily learn here. Okay, click here wall on edge. Okay, wall on edge definition is pop up. First is a automatic and second is a sketch bend. Okay, and height is a 0 mm. Okay, at first click here any edge, and okay, at first click any edge. This edge is a select here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. Guys, this is a height is increase and decrease. Okay, height is increase and decrease also here. Okay, this is a correct, and this is a angle. Okay, and this is a angle. Angle is a drag here. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a perfect. Okay, angle is drag here, and extremities this height and inclination, and this is a extremities. Extremities is a limit, left limit. This is a left limit and left offset, and again right limit and right offset. Okay, this is a correct, and this is a correct. Okay, and also decrease and increase. Okay, this is a correct. Increase and decrease also you can see here. Okay, and height is a this is a correct. Okay, and guys, this is a reverse direction is you can see here. Preview is showing here, and okay, this is a invert material side. Okay, invert material side is click here. This is a preview is showing here. This is a not a this is a okay. Okay, this is a correct. Body is correct. Okay, okay, and this position is 0, and this is also is 0, this is a left 0, and this is a 0 millimeter. Okay, okay, and height is just increase. Guys, very important discuss here. And invert in material side preview is showing here, and this is a correct. Okay, double click here. Okay, and this is a length type is discussed here, and this is a okay, perfect. You can see here, this is a okay, this is a length. Length means this height, and this is a this bottom and this top is between length. And angle is discussed here, and one very important is discussed here. Okay, this is a no clearance. Okay, and second a mono directional. Click here, then you can see here mono directional is a preview is showing here. Okay, this is a correct, this is a mono directional. And double click here, this again okay, mono directional is a thickness is 10. Okay, preview is showing here. Okay, this is a increase and decrease. Okay, this is a mono directional. Okay, increase and decrease. Okay, the preview is showing here. And again a bidirectional. Okay, click. Okay, and bidirectional is a okay, this is a bidirectional, and use a reverse direction is, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this is a correct. But today this all is complete. No, but to point is a no clearance. Okay, all point is discussed here. Okay, correct, this is a correct. Click. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, again. Okay, this is a correct. And point is a discuss here. This point is a sketch. Okay, all is perfect. And X. Okay, okay, one point is again discuss here. Again discuss here. First point is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this body is a this correct, and this also is a correct. Okay, this okay, and this body is a height is a 90 degree, angle is 90 degree. Okay, not showing here. Okay, 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 this is a perfect. This body is also here, this is a correct. Okay, and okay, this material is used again. Okay, material is a use here, and this preview is showing here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this body is a okay, okay, this body is a click here, and again this is a perfect. Perfect. Okay, this is a okay, this body is perfect. sheet metal design is a perfect है. Okay. Okay guys, I hope you will learn this command is very as easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a wall command and wall on edge. Okay guys, previous lecture is discussed here and some important is remaining. Then wall and wall on edge. Okay, wall on edge some advanced level and some important point is remaining. Then use a second lecture is very important, and second lecture video is very important because this lecture is a part of a previous lecture. Okay, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is a and any draw a any. Okay, this is a center rectangle drawing here. Okay, and mention any dimension is a any dimension. Okay, 150 and 100. Exit. Okay, and this is a sheet metal parameters. Okay, sheet metal parameters is a default value is setting here. Thickness is 2 mm and default bend radius is 4 mm. Okay, now okay, click here and now and click a wall. Okay, this is a correct and okay, this is a extreme at a sketch at extreme position. Click OK, and this body is okay, this is a perfect and wall on edge. Click here and guys, okay, and this edge is click here. Okay, and this edge also click here. Okay, click OK. Okay, and guys, this is a very important. This command is a at first double click here, and this is a very important, and height is a decrease, and this left point and this extremities and this right extremities is some important point is a discuss here. Okay, this is a note. Okay, this body is a this body is not click. Okay, this body is delete here. Okay, deleting. Okay, again click one side. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and some is height is decrease, and this left extremity and some right extremity is okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and guys, this is a perfect but the reverse direction, and this is a direction. Okay, and guys, some important point is discussed here. This is a very important, guys. This at first this rounded relief, this relief is showing here, and some sheet metal parameters use a bend extremities. Okay, this is a perfect. This extremity is not showing here, but minimum with no relief, but I square, use a square. Okay, this is a correct square, and length is a, this length is a, this is a extremities, this is a relief is showing here, and this length is a length 2 and this is a length 1. Okay, this is a correct. And at first a square relief is discussed here, and height is increase and decrease. Okay, at first click here. Okay, and this body is click here. Okay, this is a, and click. Okay, this is a relief is created here. Okay, and again, okay, height is increase and decrease, this is a length is a increase and this is a increase also. Then okay, then click this. Okay, and okay, this is a correct. Preview is showing here, this is a correct. Okay, and this is a very important point is discussed here, and this relief is created here easily, you can see here, and we will learn here is very important. Relief generated, relief created here, and again a square. Okay, bend extremities, and this is a square relief, and a round relief is also. Okay, this is a correct, and double click here, this is a round relief. Okay, this is a perfect point. Okay, this is a round relief, and size in increase and decrease. Okay, this is a, this relief is discussed here, and okay, this is a size. Okay, this, and bend extremities is increase. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a 10. Okay, 8. Okay, this is okay, and double click here, this is perfect. Okay, okay, round relief is generated here, and this is a very important point. Okay, and one again. Okay, this is a correct point, and again this point is discussed here, a automatic point, but this point is a sketch base. Okay, click here and click here this sketch base. Okay, this is a right click and sketch, and a sketch base is click here, and this profile is created here, and no selection. At first sketch is created, then right click and create a sketch is click here, and okay, this face is select here. Okay, this is a, this face. Okay, and okay, any, okay, any profile is created here. Okay, at first 3D project 3D element and click this line. Okay, this is a correct. And profile is this body, and okay, this is a correct, and this is a okay, this and this. Okay, this. Okay, and click here. Okay, and okay, this is this trim is used. Okay, this trim is used, and extra body is delete here, extra part is delete here. Okay, this is a correct. And okay guys, exit, and wall on S with bend is click here, and this profile is okay, this is a, and this is a delete here. Okay, this is a correct. Guys, very important, this profile is created here, and this body is a, this body shape and size is same. Automatic is discussed here, automatic is created here. Okay, exit, this is a perfect, and this profile is created here. Okay, this is a sketch is, and okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, this is a body is not, click here. Guys, try again drawing here. Okay, wall on edge. Okay, a sketch base. Okay, automatic is also discussed here. A sketch base is, try again. Okay, at first this sketch is select here. Okay, and profile is drawing here. Okay, click here and draw a, create a sketch. Okay, and this face is select here, this face is select here, and okay, and at first project 3D element is click, and this line is click here. Okay, and any profile is draw here. Okay, any profile is draw here. Okay, this profile is a this, and okay, this is a correct, and this is a perfect. Okay, this, and okay, okay, and double click here, trim, and this portion, and this line and this line is a trim here, and okay, this is a correct. And guys, okay, profile is drawing here easily, and guys, this is exit, then this body and this body is same here. Okay, drawing a same, all is a, this relief is also drawing here same. Okay, exit. Okay, this is a preview is showing here, this wall on edge all is same to same, this side is drawing here. Okay, preview is showing here, this is a okay. Okay, this body is a click here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this relief and this relief is equal, and this all is a perfect, because all is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and material is select here. Okay, this is a okay, material is select here, this body is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this is a okay, this is a nice. Okay, all a stone is discussed here. Okay, this is a perfect, this look a perfect. Okay, okay, guys, okay, this is a perfect look, and perfect look isometric. Okay, this is a isometric, and zoom in, zoom out. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, guys, next lecture is coming soon, and guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Okay, and okay, guys, next lecture is coming soon, and guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use extrusion command is discussed here. Okay guys, today CATIA lectures 80 is discussed here, and CATIA sheet metal 3D commands learn easily, and all commands is one by one is discussed here. Okay guys, explain all these points deeply and clearly, and today is very important point is discussed here. Extrusion sheet metal 3D commands is a extrusion command is very important and very useful command in CATIA. Okay guys, at first open a CATIA software interface, and then okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and at first drawing any sketch, and all sheet metal 3D commands is not active. At first sheet metal parameters is generated here, and this is a generated, then all 3D command is active. Okay, at first drawing any sheet, any rectangle. Okay, this is a perfect, and mention any dimension, this dimension, and also this. Okay, length and height. Length is 140 and height is 100. Okay, this is a correct, and exit. And at first this sheet metal parameters is generated here, and then all is thickness 2 mm and default bend radius is 4 mm is all is a default value is setting here, and this is a okay. And then this sheet metal parameters is generated here, then all 3D commands is active, and one by one is discussed here. Okay, and then at first wall is created here, and okay, and this is a okay, this is a correct, and this wall on edge is also create here. Okay, both side. Okay, and height is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, height is okay, height is 81 mm and angle is 90 degree. Okay, and direction is a reverse direction. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, direction is correct. Okay, and guys, today discuss here extrusion command, and at first this face is select here, and a sketch any. Okay, spline command is use, and then okay, this is a okay, this body is created. Okay, this okay, this okay, and this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and exit. Okay, and this extrusion command is only use this is a open profile. Okay, this is a close profile is not showing here. At this is a open profile. Okay, and click extrusion profile is select here this profile, and all is a show here. Okay, this is a correct. Fixed geometry is guys, limit one direction and limit two direction is discussed here, and this is a size is increase and decrease. Okay, this is a perfect, size is increase, and this is a decrease, and also size is increase, and this is a decrease. Okay, okay, preview is showing here, this is a correct. Okay, and mirror extend is also preview is showing here. Size, both size is equal. Okay, both size is equal, and okay, this is a perfect. And this extrusion 1 is a message here. You can see here on the screen, no union has been done. Both body is not union. Okay, both body is separate. This is a close here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this body is a correct. Extrusion command is discussed here, and some important point, again double click here, and some important point is discussed here. First is a sketch at extreme position, also discussed here, and this is a sketch at middle. Okay, this is a sketch at middle position. Preview is showing here. This is a perfect. Okay, and also no union has been done. Double click here, and this is a this is a both side and this position is a this is a correct. All is discussed here. Okay, this is preview is showing here. Okay, this is a and this is a perfect body, correct. Okay, material is select here. This body is a metal is a steel. Okay, this is a perfect, and steel is some steel is discussed here, rendering, and this is a perfect, and this body is a this is a perfect. Okay, apply here. Okay, this is a correct, and this is a steel, and this body is a correct. Okay, isometric view is drawing here, and this is a perfect. Zoom in this body, zoom in, this is a correct. Okay, zoom. This is a isometric view is drawing here. This is a perfect. This body is correct. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon, and I hope you will learn this command is easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use today learn here very important sheet metal command is discussed here. First is flange and second is hem. Okay guys, today discuss here CATIA lectures 81 and CATIA sheet metal 3D commands. Learn easily one by one and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, today very important command sheet metal 3D commands is learn here. First is flange and second is hem. Okay, at first open a CATIA software and then use a this is a new mechanical design and generative sheet metal design. Okay, click This is our CATIA software interface, and all 3D commands is not active. At first draw any drawing here. Okay, any draw a center rectangle. Okay, mention any dimension. Dimension is a and height. Okay, this is a 130 and this is a 95. Okay, and exit. Okay, exit. But this sit metal parameters is click here, and then all is 3D command is active. Okay, and sit metal parameters is a default value is setting here. Thickness is 2 mm and default bend radius is 4 mm. Already a default value is setting here, and click OK. Then all 3D commands is active. Okay, at first open a wall, and this is click here, and the thickness is created here, and a wall is generated here. Okay, and at first use a flange, click here, and this edge line is click here, and this is a preview is showing here. Okay, and direction is reverse. Okay, okay, and okay, length is increase and decrease. Okay, this is a correct. Length is increase and decrease. Okay, and okay, angle is 90 and 60 degree also change here. Okay, preview is showing here. This is a okay, this is a change here. Okay, this is a 90 degree. Okay, double click here, and okay, and radius increase and decrease. Okay, this radius is increase and decrease, and this value is also length type is a very important. First length type is a standard length type, second is a inner length type, third is a outer length type, and fourth is a extrapolated length type. Okay, okay, this is a length type is a this distance between this top and this is a this line. Okay, and this length is inner length is a top, and this face is distance between, and this length is outer length is a this top and this bottom. Okay, and this is a extrapolated length is discussed here. And okay, this is a angle is a first is inner angle type, and this is a outer angle type. You can see here choice on. Okay, no problem. And this is a trim support. Okay, this trim support, some face is delete here, and this is a okay, this face is delete here. Okay, and okay, trim is, and some use a flange plane. Okay, and okay, this plane is a any select a plane. Okay, this is a this plane is select here, and okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a okay, all is a delete here, and this is a plane parallel to plane is flange is discuss flange is so here. Okay, and okay, okay, and guys, high length is increase, and angle is also increase and decrease, and radius is also increase and decrease, and trim point support is discussed here, and flange plane is also discussed here. Redirection is also change here. Okay, some important point is other point is limited. Okay, this is a correct, and correct is a this point is a first point is this, and second point is this. Okay, this is a correct. And also draw a okay, this is a correct. This body Okay. Okay. Okay guys, this is a okay, this is correct. Okay, and next point is a hem. Okay, click here, and hem is also click here. Hem definition is pop up, and length is a this is a correct. Okay, this body is direction is increase and decrease, length is also increase and decrease, radius is also increase and decrease. Okay, this is a correct. And trim support is body is a trim here. Okay, this is a trim, but some point is a discuss. Okay, trim. Okay, all point is a correct. The hem is also very easily and very easy learn here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this body is correct, and this body is also height is increase. Okay, okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, red is a not. Okay, this is a perfect. This is a perfect body, and material is select here. Okay, metal is a steel. Okay, this is a correct, and okay, this is a very important, and okay, this point is a discuss here, and some point is a okay, this is a perfect body. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. Okay, apply here. Okay, and this is a perfect. Isometric view is drawing here. This body is a, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, zoom in, and this is a correct. And plane is also hide. This plane is also hide, no problem. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, isometric view is showing here, and okay, this is a perfect showing here, and zoom out, this is a correct. Okay, this body is perfect. Okay, 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 this body is also, you can see here, this is a correct. Okay, okay, this body is also correct, you can see here, and okay, this body is also okay. Okay, okay, okay guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and carefully. Guys, any doubt this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. And guys, 2 point is discussed here. This is a previous lecture is also discussed here, and some important point is remaining. And this second lecture is very important because advanced point is some learn here. Okay, the first this flange and hem previous lecture and this lecture is both lecture is very important and complete learn here. Okay, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, and draw any plain sketch drawing a. Okay, this is a. Okay, mention any dimension is a. Okay, this is a 140 and this is a 100. Okay, length is 140 and height is 100. Okay, exit and generate a sheet metal parameter. The default value is setting here. Okay, and create a wall and okay, this is a perfect, and select a this flange. Okay, and this is a correct. Okay, direction is reverse and height is increase and decrease, height is increase. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and some important point is discussed here. Basic point previous lecture is discussed here, and this lecture is a relimited. Okay, this is a very important, and this is a first limit and second limit. Limit 1 and limit 2 is discussed here. This is a select and right click and create a point. Okay, at first create a point is a at select this edge, and this is a this point is a select and okay, one point is create here. Okay, again same, right click, create a point is this edge is select here and point is this point. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a body is correct. This is a perfect. Okay, and again hem point is a discuss here. This is a edge is select here and this is a basic and direction is reverse, but okay, this is a radius is increase and okay, this is a relimited. Okay, and first is a click here point. Okay, this is a this edge is select here and this is a point, first point is click here and okay, and again second right click and point is this edge is select here and point is select here this point. Okay, this is a perfect, body is correct. Okay, this is a perfect body. Okay, and material is okay, metal and steel. Okay, this is okay, and this body double click here and this body is okay, and select here this body. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct, apply this. Okay, this is a perfect, isometric view is correct. Okay, and okay, zoom out. Okay, zoom out. Okay, Okay, and plane is hide. Also body is looking so nice. Okay guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and carefully. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use today learn here two command is important command. First is teardrop and second is user flange. Okay guys, today discuss here CATIA lecture 82 is discuss here, and today CATIA sheet metal 3D commands learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, sheet metal 3D commands is two command is very important. First is teardrop and second is user flange. Okay, one by one discuss here. At first open a CATIA software, and okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and all sheet metal 3D commands is not active. And today discuss here. Okay, at first drawing any shape, and then again this is active. Okay, at first drawing any rectangle, and this is a center rectangle, and drawing here and mention any dimension. Okay, and this dimension is this. Okay, and this is a 150. Okay, and this is a 110. Okay, exit. And at first click a sheet metal parameters, and sheet metal parameters dialog box is pop up, and you can see here this is a standard, this is a default value is setting here. Thickness is 2 mm and default bend radius is 4 mm. Okay, and this is a okay, and this sheet metal parameters is click okay, then all sheet metal 3D commands is active. Okay, all command is active. And at first click a wall, and this click here, and wall is generated here. Okay, this is a sheet metal. Okay, and this is a sheet, and okay, and today discuss here 2 point is a first is a okay, this is a separate. Okay, two command is discussed here. First is teardrop and second is user flange. Okay, two command is very important. And at first this is a teardrop, and this icon is a bending icon, and this same icon is drawing here. Okay, and teardrop definition dialog box is pop up. Okay, this dialog box is pop up, and you can see here all is you can see here. Okay, this is length is 10 mm and radius is 4 mm, and increase and decrease all is possible. Okay, this is a spine, and select any edge point, and this is a preview is showing here. Okay, this is a direction is reverse. Okay, and this is a length is increase. Okay, and also this is a radius is increase. Okay, and and also trim support. You can see here this is a this parts is trimmed. Okay, this is a okay, this body is you can see here. Okay, and okay, this is a double click here, and okay, this is a not trim. Okay, this body is edge point. Okay, and direction is reverse direction and upward direction. And this icon is, you can see here easily same drawing here. This okay, this is a okay, this is okay, okay, this is a correct. Okay, and one point is also discussed here, this point, and second point is a relimited. Okay, relimited is also, this is a very important point, and you can see here all is a drawing same, but this point is a limit first and limit second is drawing here. Okay, and okay, this is a limit first, right click and this create a point. Okay, and this edge is select here. Okay, this edge is select here, a point is generated here. Okay, this is a point is okay, this is a okay, and again second limit is create a point, and also this line is a create this. Okay, this okay, this point. Okay, and click okay, this is a limit first and limit second is point, already point is created here, and this body is a okay, this is a okay, and this bending, this okay, this teardrop bending is, you can see here easily drawing, and 2 point, first point and second point and first point. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, and also a second is a user flange. Okay, user flange is use this at first draw any line this face. Okay, and click here. Okay, okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a line is a drawing here, profile is a, this is a this line draw here. Okay, this is a correct, and also draw a simple line. Okay, this is a okay, okay, and some use a corner point first, second. This is corner point is very important, because this bending is not possible, but corner point is very important. Okay, okay, this is a 6 and also 6. Okay, okay, 2 point is coincident, first point and second point control, and this point is a okay, this is a coincident point. Okay, correct. And okay, this point is a, this curve is a drawing here a bending. Okay, and exit, and orange color means this is a selected. Okay, and this white color is not selected here. Okay, and this is click here a user flange, and at first drawing a basic. Okay, first point is profile is drawing here, this is a profile. Okay, select a profile, and second is a spine. A spine means this edge. Okay, and select this edge. Okay, preview is showing here. Okay, easily drawing here, and okay, this body is okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, this body is correct, and 2 point is discussed here, teardrop and user flange. Okay, and use a material. Okay, use a material is metal is a bronze. Okay, this okay, this point is a okay, bronze is a okay, this double click here, and okay, this preview is showing here. Okay, this is a correct, and this body is also mentioned here. Okay, this is a correct here. Okay, this is a, this body is a correct. Okay, this is a also okay. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a nice, you can see here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this is a correct. Okay, apply, this is a perfect. This body is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this plane is hide, this plane is also hide. Okay, this is a, okay, this plane is, and this is also hide. Okay, and this isometric is drawing here, this is a correct. Okay, okay, this body is perfect, drawing here, zoom in. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this face is select here. Okay, this is a drawing a circle, this is a face is select here. Okay, and exit, and some use a, this is a, this point curve mapping, and select, and construction, this is a, okay, this is a, okay, and use a cutout. Okay, this is a, okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and also super looking here, this is a perfect. Okay, perfect. Okay, okay guys, next lecture is coming soon, and I hope you will learn this command is easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a two command is very important. First is hooper and second is rolled wall. Okay, and guys, CATIA lecture 83 is discussed here, and CATIA sheet metal 3D commands learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, and guys, CATIA sheet metal 3D commands is two important commands, hooper and rolled wall easy discuss here. Okay, today learn easily discuss here, and at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is our CATIA software. All command is not active, and at first some use a wireframe and surface design. Okay, and guys, hooper, what is hooper and why hooper is used in CATIA? Okay guys, hooper use a multi-section. Okay, multi-section surface, and a hooper a section, a lot of section, and more than one section. Okay, or 3D command, 3D drawing a generate here, a section is more than one, yeah, section is a lot of. Okay, okay, drawing here, and use a plane. Okay, and other plane is hide, because design is a easily learn here, and at first generate a plane. Okay, plane is a some distance is 70, 72 is correct. Okay, this is a perfect, and this create a rectangle, center rectangle. Okay, okay, this is a center rectangle is create here, and mention any dimension. Dimension is a, okay, this is a perfect, this is a 30. Okay, okay. This 30, length is 30 and height is a 20. Okay, correct. 25 is better. Okay, and okay, and corner is a drawing here, a corner is a 6. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, perfect. And exit. And other, okay, this sketch again center rectangle. Okay, draw a center rectangle. Okay, this is mention dimension, or dimension is a, this is 42. Okay, 42 is 50, correct, and this is a 42. Okay, correct. And corner, okay, this is a corner is a 7. Okay, perfect. Okay, okay guys, and use a multi-section surface, and then at first section, and this is a second. Okay, and direction is a same, arrow is a same, not arrow is same because not generated a multi-section use. Okay, and at first use a coupling is a vertex, and this is a right click. Okay, and add. Okay, this is a perfect. Section number, coupling point is create here and be exact direction. Okay, first point, and this is a this. Okay, correct. And this is a, this point is a this. Okay, same point matching here. Okay, this is a perfect. This point and this point and this point. Okay, and again this point and this point. Okay, this point and this point, again this point and this point. Okay, all is coupling is 8 point is added here. Okay, preview is showing here, and okay, this is a perfect. And use a, okay, mechanical design and a generative sheet metal design. Okay, click here, and all command is not active at first unless we are not click sheet metal parameters, then other command is not activated. Okay, at first click a sheet metal parameters, and then okay, and then all commands is activated. And this is a hooper. Click a hooper command, and hooper command is a hooper command definition dialog box is pop up, and this is a two type. First is a canonic hooper, and this is a second is surfacic hooper. Okay, both is one by one is discussed here. At first surfacic hooper is discussed here. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and use a, okay, this is a perfect selection. Okay, this surface is selection. Okay guys, this is a, this section is more than one section, and because this section is more than one. Okay, this face is select here, and invert material side. Okay, this is a invert, and this is a invert material side. Okay, this is a outside, and okay, this is a perfect, preview is showing here, and this is a okay. Okay, this body is a multi-section. Draw here. This is a perfect. Okay, multi-section use here. This is a 1 section, 2 section, 3 section. Multi-section is use. Multi-section is divide, and then Hooper command is very important, and use a multi-section like here. Okay, and then okay, this is a multi-section is hide, then all body is Hooper. Okay, this is a perfect, and this body is a this plane is hide, and this plane is also hide, because this plane is also hide, this plane is also hide. Okay, this is a perfect, and material is used. Okay, okay, at first drawing this material is used. Metal is a sit metal command is okay. This is a perfect. Okay, double click here, and reflexivity is a more, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a apply here. Okay guys, very okay, this is a perfect, and isometric view is okay. Okay, this is a zoom here. Okay, this is a perfect. Body is a drawing here a perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, zoom out. This is a perfect. Okay, okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Hooper command is other, canonic Hooper is next lecture is coming soon. And guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a two command is discussed here. First is Hooper and second is rolled wall. Okay, and guys, previous lecture is a Hooper is discussed here, and today this lecture is a part of Hooper, and this lecture is a canonic Hooper. Okay, and previous lecture is a surfacic Hooper, and today discuss here a canonic Hooper. Okay, next video is a rolled wall. Okay. Okay guys, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is a CATIA software interface, and at first create a two plane is a this plane is hide, because drawing 3D part is a nice looking here, and your convenience is super. This is a 70. Okay, perfect, and drawing a okay, this is a click here and create a circle. Okay, this is a circle, and center point a circle, mention any dimension, diameter is a 24 millimeter. Okay, exit, and again drawing a this plane, create a okay, this is a perfect, create a again circle. Okay, this is a, and again diameter is a okay 42. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, 42 40. Okay, this is a 46 is better, exit. Okay, okay, this is a two section, two profile is drawing here, and at first all 3D commands is not activated at unless this set metal parameters command, unless we are not click this set metal parameters, then other command is not activated. Okay, at first click set metal parameters, then thickness is 2 mm and default bend radius is 4 mm. All is a default setting here. Okay, this is a okay, and all 3D commands is all set metal 3D commands is easily activated here. And this is a hooper. I click here, and surfacing hooper is surfacing hooper is a previous lecture, and this lecture is a canonic hooper. Okay, and okay, this is a okay, some missing point. Okay guys, this point is generated, this circle, and at first point is created here, and click here. Okay, and this point is a click. Okay, this is a this point. Okay, this is okay. Okay, first point is a click here, again point is create here, click, and this is a this point. Okay, this is a perfect, click. Okay, 2 point is created here, is this circle, and then use a now, then click a hooper command. Okay, and hooper command is a canonic hooper. Okay, canonic hooper is dialog box is pop up, and all you can see here. Okay, profile, first profile and second profile, opening line, first point and second point. Okay, 4.4 box is you can see here, and this is a first profile and this is a second profile. Okay, and opening first point, this is a first point, and again this is a second point. Okay, this is a preview is showing here. Okay, direction is inward outward. Okay, no problem, and the preview is showing here. This is a perfect. Okay, click. Okay, and double click here, and this is inward fixed side. Okay, this is a, and material is inward. Okay, outward, and this inward. Okay, this is a preview showing here. Okay, okay, this plane is hide because this body is looking so nice, and material is used. Okay, this is a plane is a, this is a section plane. Okay, this is a 2 section plane, first section and this is the other section. Okay, and section plane is a, this is a shading with material, again this is a shading with material, and material is used metal is a okay, metal is a steel. Okay, this is a steel here. Okay, and click OK, and again this is a steel, double click here, reflexivity is a more, and this is a perfect. Okay, body is a perfect, apply here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, so nice looking here, this body is so nice. This is a surfacing, this is a canonic hooper. Okay, and isometric view is a so nice, and okay, this is a perfect. This is a okay, zoom out, good looking here. Okay, this is a perfect, body is a perfect. Okay, so nice. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect body, you can see here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, isometric view is a okay, click here, perfect. Okay, so nice. Okay, zoom out. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay guys, canonic hooper is discussed here. I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about today this lecture, you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a command is a rolled wall. Okay guys, today discuss here a command is rolled wall and easily discuss here. At first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is a CATIA software and use a command is rolled wall. Okay, at first drawing a any plane, create a any circle. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, drawing here, dimension is a 100. Okay, dimension is 100. Okay, this is a perfect. Exit. Okay, all command is not activated unless click set metal parameters. Unless we are not click set metal parameters, then other command is not activated. Okay, then at first click a set metal parameters, then all default setting is a, you can say here, and click OK. All command is a activated. Okay, this is a rolled wall hooper. Okay, direct click here and rolled wall definition dialog box is pop up, and first limit and second limit you can see here easily. And okay, at first select a profile. This is a profile. Okay, this is our profile. Okay, this is our profile. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, zoom in. Okay, and this is a increase the size and then decrease the size. First limit and other limit is a increase the size. Okay, this is a increase the size and this is a decrease the size. Okay, this is a increase the size. Okay, and okay, first limit. Okay, direct mirror extent body is a, you can see here, this is a profile and this is a mirror extent. This symmetric is also, you can see here. Okay, this body is a perfect. And second limit and first limit, this is a increase, this 100 is a, okay, preview is showing here. Okay, this is a perfect. Symmetric is a perfect. This body and okay, this is a this. Okay, preview is showing here and this is a perfect. Okay, this is a, okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a so nice. Okay, and plane is hide because this drawing a look. Okay, undo, and this plane is hide. This drawing is a look is nice, you can see here. Okay, material is apply here, metal. Okay, steel, and okay, this is a correct. Double click here and reflexivity is a more, and okay, this is a perfect. This body is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, apply this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, looking this look is very nice. And okay, this is a perfect. Zoom out. Okay, this is a, okay, this is a perfect. Okay guys, this is a rolled wall is learn easily and Hooper also command is learn easily. And guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. And guys, more and get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share, guys. Guys, next video is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a two command is discussed here. Guys, CATIA lecture 84 is discussed here, and CATIA sheet metal 3D commands learn easily. Explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay. And guys, today discuss here CATIA sheet metal 3D commands is learn here. First command is bend and second is conical bend. Okay. Two command is sheet metal. Two command is very important and very useful and very okay. This is a learn easily and clearly. Okay. At first open a CATIA software. Okay. This is our CATIA software interface, and this all 3D commands is not active. At first drawing a sheet, then all 3D commands is active. Okay. Okay, this is a rectangle, center rectangle drawing here. Okay, and dimension mention here. Okay, this is a, and this dimension is mentioned. Okay, and this is a 140 and this is a 90. Okay, correct. Exit, and this is a sheet metal parameter, and this apply at first apply sheet metal parameter, then all 3D commands is active. Okay, and this is a default value is setting here. Thickness is 2 mm and default bend radius is 4 mm, and all is a default value is setting here. Okay, click OK and apply a sheet metal parameters, then all 3D commands is active. And at first click a wall, and wall is generated here, and this is a sheet. Okay, this is a sheet. Okay, and apply at first. Okay, this is a okay. First command is learn here bend, and second is conical bend. Okay, and okay, this is a okay. Click here. First is bend and second is conical bend. Okay, okay, and at first apply a wall on edge, and this is a this. Okay, and this is a this. Okay, this is a correct one is nice, and this is a height is a correct. This is a height is, and angle is 90 degree. All is perfect. Okay, 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 and this this width bend uncheck here, and this is a perfect. Okay, because this two body is apply here. Okay, okay, this is a not bend here. Okay, and this is a use a first is bend and second is conical bend. At first click a bend, and then this dialog box is pop up, and bend definition dialog box is pop up, and you can see here first is support first and support second, and radius is a also default value is setting here. Parameters, this is a this sheet metal parameters is radius is 4 mm and angle is 90 degree. All is correct, and support to support at first, then body is bend. Okay, and first is support. This is a okay. This first support, and first support is wall on edge, and second support is this is a wall. Okay, first is wall on edge and second is wall, then two support is you can see here, then apply preview is showing here. This is a Okay, this bend is correct. Okay, this is a bend is 4 millimeter. Okay, this is a bending. Okay, okay, you can see here, easily draw here. Okay, and again this, okay, this is undo, and okay, this is a, okay, this body is a bending, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is apply here this is a bend. Okay, and use a conical bend. At first this is a conical bend. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect, and at first apply a bend. Bend means support first and support second is drawing. Okay, this is a support first, wall on edge, and support second is this is a wall, and preview is showing here. This is a preview is, okay, this is a preview is, and this is a right, and this is a left, and preview is showing here. This is a 4 millimeter, and click OK, and bend is okay, this is a correct. And okay, this undo is okay, this is a undo. Okay, redo is apply here. Okay, and okay, this is a bend is a uncheck. Okay, okay, and second point is a conical bend. Okay, apply here, and bend definition dialog box is pop up, and this is a variable. Support first, support second, and left radius is also variable, and right radius is also. Change the value is, and bend is this bend is left radius and right radius is not changeable. Okay, and this is a conical bend means both left radius and right radius is both is changeable. Okay, at first support first, wall on edge, and support second is wall, and left radius, this is a left and this is a right. Left radius is increase 5 and right is increase 10. Okay, this is a, okay, this is a 15 is correct. Okay, 15. Left radius is 5 millimeter and right radius is 15 millimeter. Preview is showing here. This is a preview. Okay, bending preview is showing here. This is a okay. Okay, this body is correct. Bending is a, you can see here, bending is okay, this is perfect. Okay, and again apply a this, okay, this is a perfect, and uncheck. Okay, and also you can see here, apply a bend definition dialog box is pop up, and also support first and support second. Okay, okay, and radius, left radius is a increase. Okay, 16, 18, and this is a increase a 8. Okay, this is a preview is showing here. Okay, this is a correct. This body is a correct. Okay, okay, this is a perfect showing here. Okay, and this face is okay. Draw a circle. Okay, drawing here. Okay, and exit, and draw a this. Okay, both is a okay, outside inside. Okay, click preview is showing here. This is a perfect, and this face is also, this is a draw a okay ellipse. Okay, this is a ellipse, and click OK, and this is a, this body is correct. This is a okay, preview is showing here. This is a perfect. Okay, and also okay, this is a correct. Okay, material is apply here, and material is apply here. This is a metal is a steel. Okay, steel is, and this is a okay. Okay, this body is a steel. Double click here, and this is a okay reflexivity is a full, and this is a steel. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this body is a steel here. Okay, this is a perfect. Apply here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, reflectivity is full, and okay, this is a check here. Okay, this is a correct, and isometric view is drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, 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 this is a correct. Isometric view is drawing here, and front view, and okay, this is a this view is okay, this okay, isometric view is drawing here. Okay, okay, this is perfect, guys. Okay, plane is hide, and also hide. Okay, this is a correct, and some rotate. This is a looking is nice. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and zoom. Okay, this is a nice here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, guys, okay, okay, guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and carefully. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, you go to comment box and write a comment, and get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use two command is discussed here. First is unfolding and second is folding. Okay guys, CATIA lecture 85 is discussed here, and CATIA sheet metal 3D commands you learn easily. Okay guys, CATIA sheet metal 3D commands learn easily, and sheet metal 3D commands is 2 point is discussed here. First is unfolding and second is folding. Okay guys, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and use a two command is very important. First is folding and second is unfolding. Okay, this is a correct. at first drawing any sheet, then okay, click here, and at first drawing any sheet, a center rectangle drawing here, and mention any dimension. Okay, dimension is 130. At first drawing a sheet 990. Okay, this is the correct. Exit. And then now a sheet metal parameters is generated here, and this is a sheet metals parameters dialog box is pop up, and thickness is 2 mm and default bend radius is 4 mm is a always is setting here. Okay, and at first click this sheet metal parameters, then all 3D commands is active. Okay, and then use a wall, and wall create a sheet. Okay, this is a perfect. And then okay, then use a wall on edge, and then 2 edge is created at first, and this is a this. Okay, and this. Okay, this is a correct. 3 is correct, and size is drawing here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. And 3 is, you can see here. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. This body is click here. Okay, and use a first is unfolding, and then click here unfold. Unfolding definition dialog box is pop up, and at first reference face is selected, and second is unfold face is selected. Okay, at first reference face is this face. Okay, this face is a reference face, and unfold is a this and this and this. Okay, all is a unfold face. Okay, click here, and preview is showing here. This is a unfold. Okay, select. Okay, this is a unfold. Okay, okay, and at first drawing a okay, okay, this is a folding. Folding means same folding definition dialog box is pop up, and same here a reference face is this face, and fold face is a this face, and this. Okay, all is a this is a fold is preview is showing here. This is a correct. Okay, and material is select here, and metal. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, apply here. Okay, undo, and click OK. This is a very important, and click here this. Okay, okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is perfect. This body is a perfect. Okay, okay, this face is select here, and a sketch this is a okay, this is a correct, and exit, and extrude cut. Okay, this is a preview is showing here. This is a perfect, and this face is also okay. This is a correct. This body is a perfect here. Okay, this is a exit, and this body is a this center point. Okay, this is a okay, mention any dimension. Dimension is a check here. This is a this line is a okay, this dimension is a this line. Okay, also radius is a diameter is 30. Okay, this is a 30. Okay, not changeable. Radius is also okay. This is a perfect. Okay, delete here. Okay, delete, and a sketch this face is select here. Okay, this is a draw a circle. Okay, little, because this is a correct. Okay, this point is a okay. Again, okay, this is a perfect body is preview is showing here. Okay, okay, this is a correct. And again, okay, and isometric view is drawing here. Okay, this is perfect, and this face is also select here. And okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a body is a, you can see here. Okay, this is a perfect exit, and this body is a okay, right click, edit, and this body is this is correct. Okay, and size is a diameter is 20. Okay, and again diameter is a 25 is correct, and exit. Okay, this is a okay, click here and exit, 20 is correct. Okay, exit. Okay, and okay, this is a inside is a correct. Preview is showing here, not outside. Okay, 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 this is perfect. And this body is click here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay guys, this material is apply here and use a fold and unfold. Okay, again use a unfold. This reference face is this face, and unfold is this face, this and this. Okay, this, and preview is showing here. This is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. And again use a folding reference face is, and this face, this and this is a correct. Okay, this is a preview is showing here. This is a perfect. Okay, okay guys, this is a very important point is discussed here, and this plane is a hide. Okay, this plane is also hide, and this plane is also hide. Okay, this is a hide. Okay, okay, this body is a correct. Isometric view is showing here. This is a perfect. Okay, and zoom out. This is a perfect. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. Okay guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about today this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment and get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use two important command. First is bend from flat and second is curve mapping command. Okay, two command is very important command is discussed here. And guys, CATIA lecture 86 is discussed here, and CATIA sheet metal 3D commands learn easily, explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, two command is discussed here. At first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and at first create a sheet. Okay, at first drawing a sheet, then use a command. Okay, at first drawing a center rectangle. Okay, this is a center rectangle. Mention dimension is a dimension is a 200 and this is a 150. Okay, 150 is 130 better. Okay, 180 is correct. This is a 100. Okay, correct. Exit. Okay, and at first unless we are not click a sheet metal parameters, then other commands is not active. At first click a sheet metal parameters, then all command is active. Okay, click this command and sheet metal parameters is dialog box is pop up, and all thickness is 2 mm and default vent radius is 4 mm, and all is a default setting here. Okay, and sheet create a wall is a create a sheet. Okay, this is correct. And all plane is hide. Okay, all plane is hide because sheet is looking nice, and use a material. Okay, this is a steel, and click OK. Steel, double click here, and reflectivity is a high. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, apply this. Okay, this is a perfect. And today discuss here a bend from flat. Okay, this face select here and sketch, draw any profile is drawing here. This is a profile and this is a correct. Okay, and exit. Okay, and this command is a bend from flat. Today discuss here, this command is a very important and very useful command used in CATIA. Okay, this click here, bend from flat definition dialog box is pop up, and at first select a profile. Okay, select a profile means this line is a profile. Okay, next point is select a fixed point. Okay, this is a fixed point. Okay, and this is a profile and this is a fixed point is select here. Preview is showing here. This is a bend. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and zoom out. Okay, this is a perfect. And guys, this is a perfect. And okay, and all is a correct. Okay, And next is a curve mapping. Okay, this is a curve mapping is a perfect. Okay, this is undo, process is undo, and at first drawing a wall on edge, this edge and this edge. Okay, this is a, and also this edge. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct, and this is a hide. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. Okay guys, next is a curve mapping, means at first drawing this face and use a sketch is a drawing any circle. Okay, circle is a draw here. Okay, exit. Okay, this point is a exit, and this is a curve mapping, means click here, this is a curve mapping. Okay, and this is a bodies. Okay, and this is a cutout. At first this face is a unfold. Okay, this is a unfold, and at first select this face and this. Okay, this is a correct. Fold is unfold, and this body is a cutout. Select here, and next lecture is detail explain a cutout, but today help of use. Okay, this click here. Okay, this is a arrow is a inside, out, inside. Okay, this is a preview is showing here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and this body is cut out, and again this is a fold. This face select here, and this is a one body is fold. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, cutout is correct, but help of point curve mapping. Okay, next point is this face. Select here, any draw a ellipse. This face is a okay, this is a correct. Ellipse is a okay, this is a correct, and okay, exit, and use a point or curve mapping, and okay, this select this profile, and this is a sketch. Okay, click. Okay, and at first drawing at first this body is unfold, and then this face and this edge. Okay, this is a unfold is correct. Okay, and this is a cutout, and this body, this profile is select here. Okay, this is a outside. Guys, this is a outside, is arrow is outside, so then click. Okay, then body is outside, cut here. Okay, and this is a undo, and okay, this body is inside. Okay, inside is board, this face is cut here. Okay, this is a cutout. Okay, and again this is a fold, this face, and this is a this body is folded. Okay, this is a correct. Again this face is a exercise here. This is a circle, and okay, spline. This spline is a okay, this is a correct. Okay, and okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, and exit. Okay, and again use a okay, this is a point or curve mapping. Select this profile is select here, and okay, this is a this. Okay, and this body is a at first unfold, and then this unfold, this face, and this is, and body is unfold. Okay, and okay, this is a correct, and this is cut out. This face, body is outside. Okay, this is a outside. Okay, this is a outside. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, body is okay, this is a perfect. And again use a fold this face, and this is a fold here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, all is perfect here. Okay, this is a correct. Body is okay, this is a isometric view. Okay, so looking so nice. Okay, zoom in out. Okay, this is a correct. Okay guys. Okay guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a two command is important command. First is cutout and second is circular cutout. Okay, then both is a cutout command is discussed here one by one. And guys, CATIA lecture 87 is discussed here, and CATIA sheet metal 3D commands learn easily. Explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, 2 point is very must point, and 2 point is very important point, and this is a very useful command used in CATIA. At first CATIA software, open a CATIA software, and okay, this all command is not active. Okay, at first create a sheet, select XY plane and sketch. Okay, and this is a center rectangle, draw here. Okay, this is a create a sheet and mention any dimension. Dimension is a okay, this is a 160 and this is a 100. Okay, this is a perfect sheet. Create here. Okay, at first unless this command is we are not, this command is click here, then other command is not active. Okay, at first click sheet metal parameters, then all command is active. Okay, this is a sheet metal parameters in. Okay, and create a sheet, then okay, a sheet is created here. Okay, and okay, and wall on edge also click here. This is a perfect, and this is also perfect, and this is also perfect. Okay, this is a perfect body, and this is a height is okay. Click okay, and all plane is a hide because this design 3D design is looking so nice, and all plane is select here and select a material. Okay, material is use, this is a metal. Okay, steel, and a steel is a double click here, and reflexivity is very high, and this is a perfect. Okay, also this is nice. Okay, this is a perfect body here, so nice. Okay, this is a looking so very nice. Okay, okay, apply here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this is a so looking nice. Okay, isometric, this is perfect. and okay, this is a click here, and okay, this is a this body is a okay, this is a perfect, so nice. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, this body is so nice. Okay guys, two command is discussed here. First command is cutout, second command is a circular cutout. Okay, at first drawing any face, this is a at first drawing a this face, click here and sketch a any, okay, this is a ellipse, okay, this is a ellipse, okay, and so nice, this is a correct exit. Okay, and this is a cutout, and this point is a here, this is circular cutout and this is a cutout. Okay, and at first draw a cutout, click here and this face is select here, and all arrow is inside, arrow is inside, then cut this face, and arrow is outside, cut outside face. Okay, and this is a correct body is preview is showing here. Okay, and okay, and again double click here, this arrow is outside. Okay, this is a preview is showing here, this is a outside cutting here. Okay, okay, this is a reverse. Okay, so okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a correct, body is inside, this is okay. Okay, and guys next cutting this face. Okay, this face is a cutting here, select a circle, sketch a circle. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and body is a cutout. Okay, this click here and sketch a this profile. Okay, selection, this sketching here, arrow is inside, preview is showing here, this is a correct. Okay, this face is also select here. Okay, and cutting here this is a okay, this is a perfect and this is a correct. Okay, and exit. Okay, X, this is a cut out, definition is pop up, and this is a outside cutting here. Okay, this is a perfect, and also this face is select here, this face is select here and sketch a rectangle, cutting here, center rectangle, and this is a perfect. Okay, and exit and cutting this face is okay. Okay, this is a sketch, and sketch is this body, arrow is inside, facing include. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and also cutting a double click here and okay, this is sketch. Okay, so nice, isometric view is drawing here. Okay, okay, and second is a circular cutout. Circular cutout is very important, because this is a cutout is very nice, and click here and this is a cutout. Okay, this click here, this, and size is increase and decrease. Okay, this is a increase and decrease. Okay, this is a preview is showing here, this is a correct. Cut out this, but this whole command is click here, but this is a not cut out. Okay, click. Okay, this is a not cut out, because ये not applicable, but this circular cutout definition dialog box is pop up, and all any this circular and this. Okay, this is a preview, this is a correct. Okay, again cut out this circular. Okay, correct, and again this is a cutout, this, okay, again circular cutout, this, okay, this is a correct. Circular cutout is very important and very useful command in CATIA. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and also this command is not here showing, okay, because bending cutout, this is not applicable. Okay, circular command is not applicable this, okay, because not a bending, only bending use this circular cutout is only use a bending face. Okay, circular cutout, this is a bending face, click here and okay. Okay, this isometric view is preview is showing here. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and click here. Okay, this is a okay, okay, this is a must. Okay guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a two command is very important command is learn here. Guys, CATIA lecture 88 is discussed here, and CATIA sheet metal 3D commands learn easily. Explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, two command is very important. First is hole and second is corner relief. Okay, at first drawing a any design created. Okay, one by one is discussed here easily. Okay, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is a 3D body is drawing here, and then use a two command is a discuss here. First is hole and second is corner relief, and this is a this command. Okay, this command is very important. First is a hole and second is a circular cut. Okay, corner relief. Okay, this is a corner relief. Okay, first is a hole and second is corner relief. Okay, and circular cut. Next video is okay. Okay guys, okay, this body is perfect. Okay, this body is perfect, and 2 point is discussed here. Two command, first is hole and second is corner relief. Okay, this is a corner relief and this is a hole. This is a hole and this is a corner relief. Okay, okay, okay. At first drawing a hole, click a hole. Okay, and hole is a drawing here anywhere. This is a hole. Okay, hole is a blind up to next, up to last, up to plane, up to surface. Okay, blind means diameter and depth is increase. Okay, this is a depth is increase and diameter is also increase. Okay, this is a correct. Reverse direction and this is a correct. Okay, preview is showing here. This is a increase and also increase. Okay, this is a correct. Hole is created. Okay, again this body is a hole and this is a correct. Okay, this hole is also, this is a correct. Okay, this hole is a created here. Okay, this is a this hole is created here. Okay, this is a this hole is also created here. Okay, okay, this is a this body is a this is a perfect. Okay, body is correct, and okay, this is a this. Okay, this is a perfect. This hole is created here, and this face 1 by 1. Okay, this is a correct, and this is also this. Okay, correct here. Okay, also this correct here, and also this is a this, and this is a increase, and this is a depth is increase. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. Hole is a, this is also perfect. Next point is a cut. Next point is a, okay, this is a perfect point is discussed here. Second point is a corner relief. Corner relief is very important command is discussed here, because corner relief is a very must command is you learn. Okay, select at first corner relief dialogs box is pop up, and is the two type of, first is a circular, second is a square. Okay, this is a circular corner created and square corner created. One by one discuss here. Okay, circular corner, support first and support second. Okay, this is a support first and support second. Create a red light. This is a perfect, and size is increase. This is a cut a circular. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a cut here a perfect, and this is a nice cutting here. And next is a corner relief this is a square, and this support first, support second, and this is a square, and size is increase, and cutting a square. Okay, this is a cut, body is a square. Okay, this is a square cut. Okay, very nice cutting here, and super perfect body. Okay, okay, this is a perfect cutting here. And guys, corner relief and hole is discussed here easily, and very nice. And this is a isometric view is drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a, okay, okay guys, this corner relief and hole command is discussed here very easily, and I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, get any doubt about this lecture, you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.